And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today is a very exciting day. We are taking delivery of a brand new 2022 Chevrolet Corvette C8 Z06. That's right, baby, we're back. So the truck's gonna be here in about a half an hour. We gotta get all the cars out of the garage. We gotta find a spot for the Z06. It is 19 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Absolutely freezing here in Utah. We got a lot of cold startups and neighbors. You know what? It's just part of living next to me. I wish there was a way for me to convey to you guys how cold it is. Come on, Jeep Nation. Come on, baby. Work with me, please work with me. Really? It's that cold. Come on! It's not that I want to be that guy. I just happen to be that guy. I am so sorry. The worst part is a semi. Anyways, okay, we gotta roll. Now, I know you guys are worried about the bacon fenders. Don't worry, they're gonna be fixed on Monday. This car sounds so incredible. I just realized all the loud cars, they all have FI exhaust, so yeah. I realized, you know, we haven't been quite obnoxious enough. Let's do a simultaneous Aventador cold starter because we haven't put the neighbors through quite enough quite yet. It's just another morning outside the house. We have cars dumped everywhere. The Aventador Coupe, the 458, the Gladiator, and the Urus. And this is only just the beginning. This interior looks so crazy, and this car it idles so loud.
Your poor neighbors.
Oh, they're fine.
We need to give some gift baskets or something. So
okay, that's what you can do tomorrow. You can assort to get gift baskets. It is a cold morning for a car that's almost 20 years old. Come on, girl. Come on, let's go, let's go. Yeah. And to think we doubted. I realize getting into a Bugatti this way is unconventional, but it's my way. So that makes it kind of unique. Let's go, let's go. I'm out of breath because it's 19 degrees outside. 19. When the sun hits the Viola Parsife, though, it just hits on a different level. Wow. Don't look at the bacon, don't look at the fenders. I realize that I accept. This lineup right here is pretty absurd. Oh my goodness. So I just got a call from the truck driver. He's gonna be here in about 5 minutes. Wow. I just realized the neighbor's trash cans are gonna be in the way. So we're just gonna get him up the curb. Old reliable has arrived. I always have the utmost respect for these truck drivers. Oh my goodness. There's truly no day quite like delivery day, especially when the car does not belong to you and it belongs to Chevrolet. That's right, it is a press Z06, but it is first in Utah. Picked the worst day to take delivery. It is so cold. I am getting frostbite. It's 19 degrees Fahrenheit.
Is it?
Like, I'm trying to hold this camera as steady as I can. If I'm shaky, I'm problem. But like, I'm huge. Oh,
it's only 23.
Oh, it's warming up. It's heating up. It's just so exciting taking delivery of a brand new supercar, and it's not even our car.
Is it mine?
No. No.
Is this the video?
No.
This is a surprise video.
Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah. Actually, now that I think about it, a Z06 would make a lot of sense for you. You're not a Porsche guy. No. You're not a swab. You're wearing Dickies, bro.
I'm a Corvette.
You're a Corvette guy.
Yeah.
True and true. Proud America. There she is. Oh yes, that red is just. Listen to the carbon fiber wheels. Oh my goodness, this thing is so sick. It's so crazy to see the new Z06 in person. She is so wide, and I love the quintessential exhaust tips. Wow. Now, some of you guys know that VIN number 001 just sold at Barrett Jackson for $3.6 million. This car is absolutely incredible. It's amazing to see it in the flesh, in real life. Comparing it to my C8, it is so wide. The revised front splitter looks so good, and this torch red, this color looks incredible. I have to admit, it looks pretty good in the driveway between the Veyron and the Aventador Roadster. Yo, I wish she was staying forever. So we have access to her for about 2 or 3 hours. looks so prime. I just love this view straight on of the Z06. She's so wide. I love this crazy aggressive front splitter. The canards right there as well. Like the little subtle touches on the Z06 make it look so much more aggressive than the Stingray. Of course, this fatty wing as well, an exposed carbon fiber, and I just love this signature 4 exhaust tips, reminiscent of all the other Z06s. What an absolutely pleasant surprise! Shouldn't you be at work right now?
Didn't you literally just text me and said you're not buying any more cars for a while? And I pull up, and what'd you do? Seriously.
I mean,
you bought another one?
It's a brand new Z06. I didn't have a choice.
He's out of control, Luke.
This guy needs to stop. He actually bought it for me, but apparently that's not happening.
Oh, you guys think I'm buying one of these for you? I'm buying one for me. Well, boys, I don't know how this has happened. We have the keys to a 2023 C8 Z06, the only one in the state of Utah. Wait for it, wait for it. 670 horsepower, 670 horsepower. Unfortunately, you can't drive it, you can't drive it. I can't drive it either. There's just something about this Corvette. I think it's the sound of that new flat plane crank V8. All my friends could hear from a mile away. What a pleasure. What are you doing here?
Pleasure, wow, I'm just so honored.
What are you talking about? I love seeing you. Where's your red Corvette though? I got one myself.
It's broken. Don't ask me. Don't bring that up.
There's something about this Z06. It's like a mating call. Everybody's showing up out of nowhere.
Just like that. The world's coldest car show. What the heck, guy?
Johnny rolls up on a one wheel like he's in Back to the Future or something.
Zing zing.
Are you kidding
What is
me?
this? What's going on?
This is the new Z06. We got the first one. It's not ours. It's not ours. No, you can't touch it. We're not allowed to. Okay, we can rev it. We gotta warm up.
You just said I can rev it.
You can rev it, but it's gotta warm up. It's gotta warm up. It's gotta warm up.
Stop doing this to my heart.
Patience. It is hard to explain to you guys how cold it is in Utah.
Like a bunch of hobos sitting around.
Alright, that sounds like that's at wake up 25 degrees. That sounds incredible. That is such a unique sound for the Corvette.
Hot dogs and
that sounds amazing.
Yeah,
like I said, you need one.
I pledge allegiance to this car. My goodness.
You can hear the bald eagles. Now I'm gonna drop a fact on you guys that is pretty crazy. Now Chevrolet has not announced the price of the new Z06, but the rumor is around $85,000, 670 horsepower. That car brand new, $550,000. That car brand new, $450,000. That car brand new, like 300. You get the point. Like all these other cars, $1 million. That being said, 0 to 60, this is the fastest right here. I have to admit, this is a pretty surreal moment to have Chevrolet bring this car from Detroit to the absolute middle of nowhere, Utah, just so we could check it out. It truly is an honor. Thinking about like the car spotting days back in the day, like it's just crazy. I cannot thank you guys enough for your support, for watching the videos, for smashing that like button, because without you guys, opportunities like this would never happen. The car sounds truly incredible. I am amazed, like Chevrolet, time and time and again, the C8 Corvette is by far and away, it's not even close, it's the best car for the money. Like, it's a proper supercar for under $100,000. Let's go, buddy! Yeah, it's a Z06. We got you a Z06. Yeah, you little fluff ball. Now, unfortunately, the new Z06 is not going to stay here forever, but as you guys know, we have to get that signature shot. Check that out. Looks so cool with all the other cars. I just love the very subtle changes that Chevrolet did to that car. Makes it look so much more aggressive, but yes, unfortunately, the Corvette is headed back to Detroit. Well, she might be leaving the drive-in for now, but in the future, very, very soon, I think there's gonna be another one. I mean, it's just that incredible car. I think we need one. I think one's coming. We're getting one. That's right, I said it here first. we are getting the new Z06. We're getting
After
one.
mine, right?
Well, I mean, maybe,
after I
probably
get
not
mine.
though. Most
That's
likely
what I
not.
think.
Probably like
I think that's what
6
he
months
said.
before you. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure.
just
Yeah,
talking.
I think quite a bit before Stefan we're gonna get one. Well, you hate to see her go, but goodness, do you love to watch her leave? I can't thank everybody enough. The truck driver here at Reliable, Bill, massive shout out to him, to Trevor at Chevrolet. What a cool opportunity. Like I just said, that is not the last time you're gonna see a Z06 in that driveway, which also means we have to move all the cars and put some of them somewhere. I just realized when I get my new Z06, guess what? We don't have anywhere to park it.
My house. Park it at my house.
Bro,
Yeah, perfect.
yes, now that's an idea.
Absolutely.
Luke dropping these bombshells. Okay, so we gotta put 4 cars in the garage, we gotta take 2 to the warehouse, but we also gotta eat because we haven't eaten all day. Well, we could do this the hard way, or we could just do it like really easily. I can't, it's so cold I can't snap. One of these must work, like eventually it's gonna work. Oh, it worked. Easy. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. It is so cold here in the state of Utah. I'm starting to thaw out. There is nothing more that I want than Oscar and this beautiful couch. Now, we got a lot of exciting things coming in the very near future. My Nissan GTR Bug Killer, the reincarnation of Godzilla, is gonna be done any day now, but on Sunday. So today is Friday, so in 2 days on Sunday, today's video is over. Wait, are you getting a Z06?
Yes.
I'm getting a Z06.
Wait, you're getting a Z06?
Well, I think so. Are you getting a Z06?
getting 2 of them.
Oh, you're getting a Z06.
Wait,
Luke getting a Z06?
No, but I want one someday.
Burlacker's getting one. Why don't you
Z06
get
for
one?
everybody. I want a GT3 really bad.